So if new users won't understand how Bitcoin works, how do you develop trust in the network? What you need to do is set the context. You compare it what they're used to. They're used to it taking 3 days to move money, freezing accounts, fees, the recent Target credit card, credit card fraud. People are used to that, and so framing Bitcoin in the context of usability compared to their existing banking system is really how we introduce new users into using a wallet. You basically make them understand the process, or understand the steps, not the process. For example, everyone knows how to swipe a credit card, but you don't necessarily see the credit card processing on the back end. It doesn't tell you pinging the server data, checking your bank account. All you do is swipe, and it's accepted or not. It's a very seamless process. So new users want fast, simple, and trustworthy wallets. Something just super easy. So there's a couple different factors that we need to take into designing new wallets, and that's what we're doing at blockchain at the moment. One is fast propagation. How do we transact as fast as a credit card? And the only way we can do that is recognizing that unconfirmed transactions are going to have to be accepted for in-person transactions. On the internet, or if you have a service that you're selling, you can wait for one confirmation, but in-person transactions have to happen within 3 to 5 seconds, or 3 to 5, maybe 10 seconds at the maximum. Otherwise, individuals aren't going to really use it as a payment mechanism. So really, framing the context of that the unconfirmed transactions are actually confirmed, and that confirmed transactions just validate it. You don't necessarily need to wait for 3, 4 confirmations or even 1 confirmation, because the probability of a double spend attack on a cup of coffee is almost negligible. So designing wallets for in-person transactions is going to be the future, and designing it to where the user just sees confirmed, whether it's an unconfirmed or confirmed transaction. That's going to be the future for in-person transactions. Blockchain.info and Mycelium really take this to a very fast-paced confirmation time. A transaction propagated through all the blockchain.info nodes takes around 3 to 5 seconds typically, which is very, very fast. In fact, Coinbase actually propagates their transactions through us. So fast propagation is key, and then also a simple, beautiful, easy-to-use interface. Clean interfaces, simple interfaces bring trust. If it's confusing, people are put off right away.